All right, today we have to take this carburetor or what you call it, I don't know. But first we have to take it out somehow. It has a lot of things to unplug, unscrew and do stupid shit to it. But why are we going to take the carburetor off? Because, let me show you. Voila! I bought this. Do you know what this is? I know that you don't know. And I'll show you. This is the special juice for the drum roll. Now this okay. Ultrasonic cleaner. Yes, my friends, we're going to clean the carburetor and the chain and some stuff, maybe this, maybe, well, clean some stuff. So first of all we have to power this and we'll see. Where is this so wobbly? You know why this is wobbly? You see? And I have to fix it. The first thing I have to do is fix it. I bought it new, brand spanking new, clean as a whistle. And I have to fix it. Suka. Let me see. It's this one. Step it in. Screw it in like this. Ooh. It goes in so deep. I'm an idiot. Let's check this one. Also a bit. Sorry. I touched you. Let's try this one. What about this one? It's missing a screw. You see? From the factory. It's missing a screw from the factory. That is not good. Not good at all. So I'll just check everything. Every small little thing. I don't want to over tight anything or something like that because I don't want to screw it. You see? Very nice. Where am I going to put this? There? No. Here. I'll put it here. Nothing. You see? A special professional setup. Okay, so you take this one. You will take this, that, and take this and from there. And you see, like, you have those three here, and it's just, you can do it like this because it's not going to fit. It's just like, and look, it's not working. You know why it's not working? Because you have to plug it somewhere. I mean, I can plug it in your mom, but never mind. Let's try now. Pretty colors. Never mind. So we're gonna set it on 50. Let's see if this 50. Where is it? So it says, turn this way. Fuck it, suka. Blah blah blah. 5 to 10% ratio, 50 to 60 Celsius. It removes contaminants including general shit, carbon and grease, safe on aluminium, Do you say aluminium or aluminium or aluminum? Aluminum. And other sensitive materials. Sensitive materials. Never mind. First, we have to take this, and you need distilled water, like this. I guess it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Take this. Put it to the. That's enough. You have a line here somewhere. You see this line? Perfect. I did it. Oh shit. Okay, better now. We're going to close this, and we're going to start heating because we need heat. Okay. What the fuck is this? Go away. And we'll forget about it for now. And now we're going to go and we're going to what the fuck? Take this little thing out, and let's take it out.